Morning students. In last lecture, I already discussed about organic compound and inorganic compound. Organic compound are those which made from living things, and you can say that carbon and hydrogen. Inorganic compound are other element. 118 elements are there. Periodic table. Yes, inorganic compounds are those which made from non-living things. Now, in this lecture, we have to discuss another inorganic compounds. We already discussed about NaCl, sodium chloride and hydrogen chloride, hydrochloric acid. But in this lecture, we have to discuss about, first of all, limestone. You can say that calcium carbonate. Yes, calcium carbonate. You know, calcium 2 positive, carbonate also 2 negative. Yes, cut there by crisscross method. Calcium carbonate. Yes, uses of calcium carbonate. Afterward, we see the preparation of calcium carbonate. You can say that calcium carbonate, the another name is a marble. White in color, milky white in color. Marble, you know, white in color, na? Building material form of the marble. It used as a building material in the form of marble. Manufacture of the glass and the cement. Used as a filler in cosmetics. Yes, to fill the holes of the skin, filler. Used as a filler. Yes, used as the extractions of the metal. You know, we extract the metal from the ore. In the ore, a lot of things are there. Impurities also there. Mud, sand, impurities also there. For extraction of metal, we have to use the calcium carbonate. Yes. Now we have to see the preparation of calcium carbonate. Yes, see first of all the preparation of calcium carbonate. How you prepare calcium carbonate? Yes. You know lime water, slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, and you can say that lime water. When you add CO2, this reaction tells the presence of carbon dioxide in the environment. When you pass the carbon dioxide from the calcium hydroxide, lime water, it changes into calcium carbonate. Always keep in mind, when you add the carbon dioxide in any reaction, it forms a carbonate. So here you take carbonate, for example, here calcium 2 positive, hydroxide 1 negative always. So this one react to give calcium carbonate by crisscross method, and OH negative form here water. Keep in mind. So it forms the limestone, milky white in color. It turns the lime water, carbon dioxide turns the lime water milky. Carbon dioxide turns the lime water milky. This is the preparation reaction of the calcium carbonate. Second is the zinc oxide, ZnO. Uses in the paint and used in the extraction of the metal of the zinc from the ore. Extraction of metal of the zinc from the ore. Yes, next we have to see another inorganic compound, gypsum. Next one is the gypsum. Calcium sulfate with the 2H2O. Yes, water of crystallization. That's extra water is called water of crystallization. When you heat the gypsum at 373 Kelvin, 100 degrees centigrade, it gives the POP. It loses the 1.5 water. Only half water left here. Keep in mind. Yes, that's why it is used in the preparation, that is the preparations of plaster of Paris. It used as the preparations of plaster of Paris. It used in the manufacture of the cement also. Keep in mind. Yes, plaster of Paris, you know, when your bone fracture, the doctor used the POP, it add the water, when he add the water, reverse reaction also there. When he add the water, it again form the gypsum. Exothermic reaction is there, it become very hot. It helps to correct the bone. Very hard and hot. Keep in mind. Yes. Plaster of Paris is used as a material for the construction of the building, used to form the cast of the immobilized the fractured bone, to correct the fractured bone, used in dentistry. Yes, used in dentistry by the doctor, to fill the teeth. Amalgam. Doctor use amalgam to fill the teeth. Yes. Next. Used to make the cast of statues, their copy. You can say that by using POP you are able to make their copy of the statue. Yes. You are able to make the copy of anyone. That is called statue. Yes. Next one is the blue vitriol, copper sulfate. It is a poison. It used copper sulfate have the 5H2O. When you heat it, only copper sulfate left. It lose water, 5H2O. Then it become colorless. Firstly it is the blue only. But when you add again 5H2O, it again attain the blue color. Used in electroplating. Yes, electroplating, the layer of the one metal on the another. Like the layer of the zinc on the iron, coating of the zinc on the iron, that is called galvanization. Same electroplating. On the artificial jewelry. Yes, artificial. On artificial jewelry, we have to put the gold polish by using electroplating only. Yes, used in the refining of copper and also used as a fungicide for the fruit-bearing trees. Yes, to kill the fungus. Used as a pesticides also. Keep in mind, when you add with the milk of lime, then form the used as a pesticide. So student, these are the inorganic compound. First one is the sodium chloride, then HCl, then POP, gypsum, and last one is the blue vitriol. Thank you, student.